Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup tutorial and it is on the look that is on my face right now. It's like a simple cut crease with a glitter liner. I feel like it's like super easy glam look. It's so nice and like super easy and like makes you look like you put in heaps of effort, but I feel like it's pretty easy to do. So if you would like to see how I created this look to my face right now, then just keep on watching and we'll get into the video. Okay, so my base is already done because I'm actually filming a first impressions on this new Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. So that is what's on my face at the moment. I'm just going to do from there. So I have done my foundation and concealer and set it all. So the next step is bronzer. I'm going to be using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light. Okay, so going in with my Zoeva Luxe Cheek Finish Brush, which is the 126. This has easily become my new favourite bronzer. I swear I have so many, but they all just go that little bit too orange and you're like not wanting it that orange. Do some on my forehead. Okay, so then to contour, I'm using my Makeup Geek contour shades. They look like that. And they're in the shades Fair Cool and Fair Warm. I will leave them listed down below. It's annoying to just pull them out each time. And I'm using my Carity F21 contour brush. And then I'm going to contour my nose using the Zoeva Contour Shader Brush, which is a 235. And to clean up the contour a little bit, I'm going in with this brush I always use to wipe away my baking. Its name's rubbed off, but it's by Real Techniques. I'm just going to go in with the IMCA powder, which is what I use to set all my face, my baking. And just apply a little bit underneath the contour and bronzing to just clean it up a bit. Okay, so now for highlight, I'm actually using a brand new product. I received it in the mail this morning. It came at like 7 AM. Postman was knocking on the door. So it's the iconic London Illuminating Drops, and this is just in the original shade. Apparently these are like super pigmented and like really band glam like highlighting. I don't know if I should like apply some on my finger first. Alright, so yeah, I might just do it by finger. I'm applying some on my ring finger. Just, oh my gosh. You see that glow? Oh, it's coming a bit too far forward. This is so difficult to keep in line. Well, thank you, man. What do people usually use to apply this? Would you use a beauty blender or would that just soak it up and... They are so pigmented. I'm going to get with my beauty blender and maybe just try and clean up the edges a bit. I'm really not sure on how you go applying this. I don't know, would people just use beauty blender in the first place? But yeah, I'm just kind of cleaning up the edges so it like is more pressed into the skin. That is so glowy. So that is it on the décolletage and shoulders too. That is so nice of a highlight. Like if you really wanted like glam rain, like say it off the shoulder top, something like this like I'm wearing, or a dress, you can definitely put it all there. Everywhere light isn't actually going to hit and you will look super glowy. Alright, so mind me while I melt. So now I'm going to actually start on the eyes. Alright, so I've zoomed you guys in a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing on my eyes. For this look today, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I'm going to go in with my favourite brush as normal. It's the MAC 224 blending brush. So I'm going to go in with the shades New Wave and All Star. Okay, yes, I'm blending New Wave just into my crease. We want to take this a little bit higher too because doing a cut crease, all this is going to be like cut out basically. So you want the shadows to actually be seen. So I'm kind of going up closer towards the brow bone but not like actually touching the brow bone yet. So now I'm going to go with the shade All Star and the same brush, but I'm focusing this more on this outer third. So I don't want it to take over the orange. time for the fun part. It's the cut crease. So I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I have the shade Light Neutral. Okay, so I don't know how hard this is going to be on camera because I've always done it like really close up to the mirror, but I'm going to try. I'm going to be using my Zoeva Cream Shader Brush. It's the 233. How I do this, little trick I learned from Michael Finch actually. Watching one of his videos and he does this and I'm like, oh my god, you're the best. Like, this is the coolest trick. I don't know why I never thought of it earlier, or why I haven't seen this earlier. I'm going to get some concealer out and it's running out. And I'm going to put this on the lid basically. I'm doing a cut crease on the first, like kind of the third of the eye. I'm not going to take it all the way to the end. I'm going to try and blend the shadows in at the end. And I basically put it all on here. And if I wasn't running out, I'd have a lot more product to work with. And then you basically look up and roll your eyes. And it's like created most of the cut crease for us. So it basically creates a cut crease exactly where your crease is. So you know, if you ever do them a bit lower, during the day sometimes things will transfer up higher because that's where your crease actually is. So at least this, nothing will transfer higher because this is like, that's the end of the line. Like, that is your crease. So then basically just make it a lot neater. So I will say it works a lot better with a full concealer, not one that's like running out. So there is basically your cut crease. I'm going to just clean it up a bit more and do my other eye. So that is like the crease cut, if you can like see it. It's pretty cool, that trick. I'm super happy with it. So now I'm just going to use my RMCA powder again and just use a little bit just to set that concealer in place, because my palette in front of me doesn't have a white shade in it and I'm too lazy to go walk back to my room and grab another one. Okay, so that's the concealer set. Now I'm going to go back in with that MAC brush and using a bit more of that red All-Star shade, I'm just going to be blending the edge of the concealer in with the eyeshadows. Does that make sense? Just this edge here. We don't want to like do too much or anything up here because that's just going to affect our line of the cut crease. So that's now like blended the concealer, edge of the concealer with the eyeshadow. Okay, so the eyes are close to done. Now I'm actually going to put those same two shades blended into my lower lash line. So that is all blended under there. Now for the fun part, I'm going in with my Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner. And this one is in the shade Lucky Bitch. So I'm going to go with that liner right over that cut crease line. So now the lashes are on, I'm going to go in with my MAC Extended Play Gigablack Black Lash Mascara. It is such a mouthful every single time. I'm going to put this on my lower lashes and a little bit in like the lashes, mixing the fake lashes with my lashes. So now I'm going to go on some eyeliner. I'm going to tightline my eyes so there's just like a tall black up there. I'm using the Nars Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Veneto. So now for a little bit of inner corner highlight, I'm using the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. So I'm just going to apply this in my inner corner. So that is the face almost done. I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner in the shade Strip Down. So now for the lipstick, I'm using two here here by Smashbox. First one I'm going to be using is the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Got a Light. And then I'm going to be using that on the outer part of the mouth, and right in like the center is like the brightening ombre effect one. I'm using the shade Fair Game. So then Fair Game right in the middle. I'm going to set my face. I forgot setting spray. So I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. That completes today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love this look. I used to be like really shit at cut creases. Well, not really shit. I could just never get them perfect and even. And ever since that trick, I'm like so happy that I learned how to do cut creases. So I really, really love this look. I hope you guys really like it. I hope you learned something interesting today. Like say if you didn't know that trick, definitely try it out. And maybe like recreate this look or similar to. I think it is so nice of a look. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see some more videos from me. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!